Alright, I've compiled a list of about 6 steps here to follow to cancel your Mbna credit card. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your credit card balance is paid off in full. If there's an outstanding balance, you might need to pay it off before you can cancel the card. And then from there, just contact Mbna customer service at the number listed on the back of your credit card. You can also find the contact number on the Mbna website as well. And then from there, be prepared to provide personal information to verify your identity, such as your name, address, and account number. And then from there, inform the customer service rep that you want to cancel your credit card. They may ask for the reason for cancellation and might offer incentives to keep the card, because ultimately they do not want to lose you as a customer. So they're going to try and keep you on board. So be mindful of that. And then from there, follow up. So after the call, ask for written confirmation of your account closure and get them to send it via an email. So it's also a good idea to check your credit report after a few weeks to ensure that credit card is marked as closed as well. And then from there, just destroy your card because you don't need it any longer, so there's no point keeping it. So if you have any recurring payments set up with this card as well, be sure to update those with your new payment information.